Hey guys, today we are really excited to show you this new Playpen that we received for repairing purposes. It's a really nice fence do-it-away kit with a total of 24 panels, so we can place like a kit of up to 56 feet. It comes with the stakes, so we can place it whenever we need it, and it's modular, so we can place it however we need. These stakes are the ones that we are going to use, so it can be assembled. And we get a total of 3 doors, so we can access it for different directions, which I mean that it's great. Okay, each door comes with 2 gravity latches, so your dogs can open them, and they're really easy to use. You just have to pull the little rub that comes in the latches, and it will open up as it is rubbery operated. Any dog that is a little bit more intelligent will not be able to open it up, and it has 2 of those latches, so you know that you are really secured, okay? Which I think that it's great, makes it real accessible, and it has a nice size, so anyone can pass it through, and even your large size dogs, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and start assembling it up. You can do it over it yourself or with help of someone. And I think that it's a really nice installation because first of all, it's tool free, meaning that you don't need anything else that it comes outside the box, which I think that it's nice, and just have to align the panels and that's it, which makes it so that in just 5 minutes you can build an area for your pet so it's safe, making it really easy to deal with any kind of situations anywhere, okay? And once that you have it ready, as you can see, you can place it wherever you need. It's perfect to be indoors or outdoors, and it's really nice that, as I've said, it's customizable, so you can choose the shapes that you want, and that way your pets will have a nice area where to be, okay? What I think that it's nice about this playpen, it's that it is able to resist any kind of weather condition like sun, rain, corrosion, even scratches, and that ensures that it remains as bright as new for even a longer period of time using it on the outside. That way our dogs are really comfortable. They have a nice area where to play. We can toss in all their toys and everything. And in the case that you have a limited space, the modular panel design gives you a high flexibility, allowing you to combine and match different shapes combinations as any kind that you needed. You can set it up for a square area, a rectangular, or even a circle area where your pets are gonna be really comfortable, and its lightweight design makes it really easy. Either way, it's really nice, easy to enter or get out, and it's not only for a safe playground for your dogs, but it could also be perfect for a garden fence or border, a vegetable fence, or even a temporary isolation zone, either for indoors or outdoors. Overall, we will really recommend them to you guys.